Get ready, because right now we're taking you behind the scenes to discover what's new at the Walt Disney World Resort in Florida. The Walt Disney World Resort has welcomed millions to its 4 theme parks: Magic Kingdom Park, Epcot, Disney's Hollywood Studios, and Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park. The secret to their success just may be that there's always something new in store for guests. For starters, this year Disney is asking, what will you celebrate? Whether it's an anniversary, a family reunion, or even your first visit, they're making it easier to magnify these moments in wonderful Disney style. Disney's Hollywood Studios has rolled out the blue carpet for the newest attraction at the Walt Disney World Resort, the American Idol Experience. If you've ever dreamed of what it's like to perform on the American Idol stage, then this just may be your opportunity. Shows are scheduled every day throughout the year, and park guests 14 years and older inside Disney's Hollywood Studios who want to audition go to the Audition Experience.
Here, they meet with our casting directors and producers, and they have a chance to sing a song of their choice. You're going into the show!
And if they make it to the stage, it's on to performance training, hair and makeup, and finally, showtime, where there's a panel of 3 expert judges that they need to impress.
You actually sold the song very, very well, and it was a genuine conversation with the audience.
The final decision, however, is up to the audience to vote for their favorite singer. The performers with the most votes in each show are invited back to perform in the last show of the day to see who's going to walk away with the dream ticket, which is, once again, up to the audience.
Kyle Grizzard!
If you receive a dream ticket, it allows the eligible holder, a U.S. citizen between 16 and 28, to schedule a front-of-the-line audition to a future regional audition for the American Idol television show. The Magic Kingdom recently kicked off its own entertainment experience that encourages park guests to join in the show.
Move It, Shake It, Celebrate It is a parade that turns into a show, that turns into a street party with great music and dancing and surprises all along the way.
Once the street party begins, park guests are encouraged to join the party.
It's very fun to watch the guest reaction. They hesitate at first, but then once they get into the street, everybody just lets go.
Shows and attractions aren't the only places to find new and memorable experiences at the Walt Disney World Resort. With more than 20 resort hotels, there are accommodations that fit a variety of budgets and family sizes. From value resorts that are big on fun but smaller on cost, to deluxe villa resorts that feature up to 3 bedrooms and many of the conveniences of home. Plus, there are a lot of benefits available to guests staying at select Disney resort hotels, like complimentary transportation around the Walt Disney World Resort and between Orlando International Airport and your Disney Resort Hotel. And extra magic hours. Each day, one theme park is open extra time to enjoy some favorite attractions. Of course, here too, Disney is always looking for new ways to create visually entertaining and exciting environments. Disney's Contemporary Resort opened along with the Magic Kingdom back in October of 1971. Guests marveled at the resort's unique style and the fact that Disney's monorail traveled right through the main lobby.
It was revolutionary, certainly from a modular construction standpoint. It's a steel structure and a unique A-frame format that had all of the rooms that were prefabricated, including all the furniture, and they just slid right into place.
In 2009, a brand new 15-story curvilinear tower opened at Disney's Contemporary Resort. Called Bay Lake Tower, Disney's Imagineers worked very hard to make sure that its design complemented Disney's original Contemporary Resort Hotel.
There are horizontal lines, there's the color, there's even a cap that works on the top of the resort that are clues that are drawn from the original resort, but yet it's unique. It stands on its own.
Bay Lake Tower has 295 2-bedroom equivalent villas that sleep up to 9 people. There are custom furnishings and finishes throughout. Floor-to-ceiling windows provide panoramic views of the Magic Kingdom or Bay Lake. Not to mention what might be the best view of Wishes Nighttime Spectacular at the Magic Kingdom Park. Bay Lake Tower isn't the only new project to reinterpret a classic Disney resort in a whole new way. From 1975 to 2002, treehouse living was a cherished tradition at Walt Disney World Resort.
The original idea behind the Treehouse Villas was something that connected to nature. They were remote, they're in a wooded area, and it was a serene, natural environment. It's a place for guests to get away.
In 2009, Disney announced that the Treehouse Villas are back at Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort and Spa.
We built each of these homes in 3 pieces, the roof in 2, lifted each of the 5 pieces up over the trees and into place, and connected them together.
The Treehouse Villas sleep up to 9 people with 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms.
When guests first arrive at the Treehouse Villas, from an exterior standpoint, it will seem the same. What becomes different is the experience when they walk inside.
The original Treehouse Villas were inspired by the spirit of Adventureland at the Magic Kingdom Park and the Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse.
Treehouses are, in a sense, an adventure. Gave the opportunity to do something that's different than any hotel could deliver.
Whether it's exhilarating experiences, iconic places reinvented, or novel ways to treasure a classic story, there's always something new and unexpected at the Walt Disney World Resort in Florida.